Are you looking for a way to get a Duolingo promo code for September 2022? Well, look no further. In this video, I will show you how to find the best promo code to use on Duolingo. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to get a discount on your language learning subscription. To get started, first open up any web browser that you like and then simply search for Duolingo promo code. And then scroll down a little bit and tap on this exact search result. $100 off Duolingo coupon, September 2022. Once you are on this site, you will see that there are a lot of Duolingo promo codes available. So, for the purpose of this video, let's choose the first code at the top of the page. So what you want to do now is simply tap on the green sticker that says, Show Promo Code. And it will open up a new page. And there you go. This is a new Duolingo promo code, and when you redeem this you will get a 1-month free subscription to Super Duolingo. So in order to copy the code, just tap on copy again, and now the code is copied to your clipboard. And let's tap on use at duolingo.com to go over to the Duolingo website. So now what you want to do is you can either tap on get started and create a new Duolingo account, or you can tap on I already have an account and sign into your account. After that, when you are on the payment page, make sure that you redeem the promo and double check if it applied, and you will get your discount. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.